Hi there, Shannon O'Malley with Remax Escarpment. I'm excited to show you my latest listing at 36 Hoover Crescent. I think this bungalow could be the perfect investment for you, and here's why. It's located in a desirable neighborhood, on a quiet street, close to schools, shopping, public transit, and major highways. But don't just take my word for it. Have a look for yourself. This one-owner home has been lovingly maintained and is on a rarely offered 50 by 168-foot lot. Did I also mention it features a separate side entrance to a partially finished basement with great ceiling height, perfect for an in-law suite. This home has so much potential, and it's just waiting for your design ideas. If you're an investor, contractor, first-time homebuyer, or downsizer, you gotta see this house. One-level living on a huge lot in a great neighborhood doesn't come up for sale often and won't last. I'd love to show you this home. Contact me personally at 905-464-5255 and let's see if this is the house you've been looking for.